Haba. Hawak. Nakatakot guys. Nakatakot. Okay.
It's okay na.
Okay. Sa taas kami.
This is what you call
Overpass. Good morning, Secondary.
Late nights, heavy heart, no sleep. World feels cold, running too deep. But I look at you, I find my way. Through the dark, you're my brighter day. You don't say much, but I understand. Every little step, every small plan. We don't need words to feel okay. I got you, we gon' be alright. Padayon, we keep moving on. Through the pain, through the storm. Padayon, we're still holding on. You and me, we're never alone. You and me, we're never alone. No map, no road, just faith inside. Tears fall down, but we still try. Every smile you give's enough to set me free. They don't see what we've been through, all the silent strength in you. But I know, yeah, I know you fight, and I'm here right by your side. Padayon, we keep moving on. Even when the nights feel long. Padayon, we're still staying strong. This our life, this our song. This our life, this our song. If the world turns its back on us, I won't ever let you fall. You're the reason that I rise. Through it all, through it all, through it. Padayon, we keep moving on. We keep moving on. Either way, through every scar we carry on. Padayon, yeah, we're standing strong. Standing strong. Standing strong. Forever here where we belong. Padayon, just keep going.
Pading ka?
Padayon.
Hey. Dami. taxi. Okay. Happy. Happy? Talaga. Faster. Yan na mag-edit. Special child boss. Idol kay niya ang Mabuhay Taxi. Happy ba?
Pagod ang katawan mula sa maghapong kayod. Kulang ang kinita para sa ating mga pangarap. Pinagmamasdan kita habang ikaw ay payapang tulog. Sa gitna ng hirap, ikaw ang aking lakas. Sa gitna ng hirap, ikaw ang aking lakas. Sasamahan kita sa bawat hakbang ng iyong buhay. Kahit ang mundo ay hindi tayo lubos na maunawaan, ang pag-ibig ko ay tanging sandigan at gabay. Walang hanggang tapat laging naririyan. Naaalala ko ang una mong pagtayo at paglakad, maliit na hakbang na puno ng pag-asa at galak. Kahit may hadlang sa iyong pakikipag-ugnayan, narito ako upang ikaw ay larito ako, upang ikaw ay di nang alalayan. Sasamahan kita sa bawat hakbang ng iyong buhay, kahit ang mundo ay hindi tayo lubos na maunawaan. Ang pag-ibig ko ay tanging sandigan at gabay, walang hanggang tapat at laging naririyan. Hindi mahalaga kung gaano man kabigat ang pasan, basta't magkahawak kamay tayo sa gitna ng ulan. May liwanag na naghihintay sa dulo ng kalsada. Manatili kang matatag, ang iyong mahalanan. Sasamahan ko ay hindi tayo lubos na maunawaan. Ang pag-ibig ko ay tanging sandigan at gabay, walang hanggang tapat at laging naririyan. Laging naririyan para sa'yo, mahal kita.
Hindi. Sa adlaw nga bugat ang tanan, murag kalibutan mi sukol na. Kuyog ti ka, anak kong mahal, bisan unsa dili ta magbulag sa imong hilom nga kalibutan. Nakita nako ang kahayag, bisan lisod sabton usahay, bugman ako dili mapugngan. Padayon lang ta, bisan kapoy na, bisan unsa pa di ta mo yon nga mapildi ta sa matag. Wala pa man taxi doon, Ben. Tingin ka? Wala pa man taxi, early pa man. Ulat lang dere. So, tingnan niya yung parada na taxi. Wala pa man ka, early pa man ha. Tingnan natin. excited siya. Ano tayo? Wala pa, wala pa ako. Wala pa. Ang sa oras magkabot ng mga taxi da, chip. Paano yung special child?
Oh.
Ganahan siya sa mabuhay ba ito maglinya da. Ah. No, si wala pa. Ha? Mamaya pa mag-open. What time mag-open, Chip?
Ha?
What time mag-open? Alas 10.
Oh,
Si alas 10 pa. 10 pa. Next time na lang.
Then open. Isam na no.
This is na lang. Thank you, Chip, ha? Come on, let's go. Wala. Okay lang.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Open. Isam na no.
Yeah, pag open, next time.
Open. Isam na no.
Yeah. Next time. 10 a.m. pa mag-open. Yeah. Try kaya natin umakyat dyan. Try tadi ame. Ito yung mataas na bridge.
Sabihan mo yung ruleta.
Ah. Eat muna tayo Jollibee Banana.
Wow!
This one. Ito tayo daan. Overlooking.
Overpass.
Overpass. Doon tayo magbaba ako ng Jollibee. Tisi ha. Haba. Tawak. Na? Nakadaan ka. Blue Ben sa baba. Nakatakot guys. Nakatakot. Okay. It's okay. Sa taas kami. Overpass. Ay na, mura kang kugsuyo po. Press mo na tayo ba?
Sa katok siguro na.
Huwag ka kay mama, kaya mo? More. Ah. Ito da.
Next July na sa July na ba yung next week ah?
It's Sammy Jollibee guys.
Kabila.
Walk with Sven just one more mile. Autism kid, he finds his style. Survival journey needs some grace. Patience here to fill the space. Hold his hand and see the light, even when it feels not right. Through the struggles we will weave, in each moment love we lead. Walk with Sven every day. It's his time in his way. Hopeless thoughts, they fade away. When with Sven we find our state. Challenges along our path, we'll find peace and then we'll hope we bring. Through the storm we're standing strong. With Sven we know we belong. Walk with Sven every day. It's his time in his way. Hopeless thoughts they fade away. When with Sven we find our stay.
Baga.
Walk with Sven every day. It's his time in his way. Hopeless thoughts they fade away. When with Sven we find our stay. Challenges along our path, we'll find peace and then we'll laugh. Every step with Sven is pure. Hopeful hearts become the cure. Songs of joy and tears we sing. For each day new hope we bring. Through the storm we're standing strong. With Sven we know we belong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Walk with Sven every day. It's his time in his way. Hopeless thoughts they fade away. When with Sven we find our stay. Look at the sun.